Mikey. Wala. Bobo ka ba? Lip tint yan. Lip tint yan!
Swerte naman yung Chok Moral. Umami ng isang chichi. Paano kayo magsaya sa labas? Chok Moral or John Rodi?
Wala na nga.
Chok pa rin talaga. Baby ko talaga yan. Paano makapunta na ako ng Pampanga? Hindi saan kita, baby. Paksi ko pa naman. And last but not the least, di ko pwede kalimutan pagiging to. At ito yata ang nagpa-trending sa'yo at chichi. At nakalapin mo before. Chok Moral or Jano?
John, Keith.
Likes, ang daming reactions, ang daming engagement. May kaano kasi ako pag si Chano eh. Kaya, shock na lang talaga. Pag si Chano talaga kasi madami akong competition. Like parang, na parang bang minipig. Why Chok Moral is your best choice? Siya yung matangkad, magaling sa basketball, and sobrang linis yung tingnan. And to be honest, kahit isang tingin mo pa lang sa akin, hindi mo siya kilala, magiging crush mo siya agad. Totoo yun. Totoo lang na. If ever na mapapanood ni Chok Moral,
Acting star.
let's go. Walk in the party, I'm sipping on Pepsi. No, I'm sipping on Venus. Lately, I have a question.
Ano ko doon? Wow. Pala si Larry. Konti na lang.
A girl likes to sleep under a
I
guillotine.
do
If she doesn't wake
sleep.
up on time, she won't need to get up again. But this day she overslept. At the critical moment, a willow tree outside the window shattered the glass, saving her from the blade, and also pulled her lazy brother out of bed. The brother got angry and threw an axe at his sister, but she caught it easily. The sister tossed it back casually, and the axe landed right on the brother's head in the photo. The willow tree
Shoutout guys.
it flung the brother away.
Shoutout sa inyong lahat.
To the ground. Wednesday had never set foot outside the castle since birth. She longed for the outside world, often standing at the gate and staring into the mist beyond. Outside the mist, a girl on a bicycle was also curious.
Oo, may anak na ako, 5.
In the fog, Wednesday was about to go out and say hello, but the girl got scared.
May anak na ako, 5. Masaya ka na.
Back inside, frustrated, but
Masaya ka na sa buhay mo.
having the time of his life in the castle. His favorite thing to play with was missiles, and his target was their father. Dad leaned back and dodged it with ease, missing the first shot. The brother then used a parachute and a slingshot to launch another projectile. Even though Dad was fat, he was very agile and always dodged the bombs easily. But for the
Oo, anak ko yan, si Night
like
Rider.
his son playing with gunpowder all day. He wanted his son. Disappointed ka sa akin, no? Dito na ako sa house. Ang hirap talaga pag galaw-gaw ka. Nadali ang puposo. Lagot na naman tayo kay Miss Rose from Magical Beauty by
Ang ama nito ay Espiritu Santo.
I'm a girl.